Look at this, a sea of people in the middle of the California heat, and among them, the Philippine flag waving proudly. This isn't just a concert, it's a revolution. Today we're talking about the 8 girls who just rewrote the history of P-pop. Yes, I'm talking about Bini. As a Korean who loves music and culture, I've seen many groups debut. But what happened at Coachella 2026 was different. It wasn't just hype, it was backed by global data and raw talent. Even before they stepped on stage, the world was watching. Rolling Stone named Bini one of the 20 artists you must see at Coachella, ranking them at number 15. And the numbers don't lie. On April 8th, their Google Trend Index hit a perfect 100. This means the entire world was searching, who is Bini? The marketing was aggressive and beautiful. An airplane banner flew over Indio, California, reading, "Bini brings P-pop to Coachella." Large billboards were everywhere, calling out to the blooms. Despite the 4:15 p.m. scorching heat, the Mojave tent was packed. Member Sheena said she felt a surge of energy seeing the Philippine flags in the crowd. That's the power of representation. But here is the most important part. The viral phrase on social media wasn't just about their looks. It was, "the mic was on." During intense choreography, their live vocals remained rock solid. They premiered tracks like Blush and Bikini from their new EP, Signals. They proved that P-pop isn't just bubblegum pop, it's high-level musical artistry. Even Forbes called them superstars with a commanding presence. Leader Joanna said this debut opens more doors for Filipino talent. As a Korean, this reminds me of how K-pop first started touching the world. Seeing Bini succeed feels like seeing a close friend make it big. P-pop is no longer a local genre, it's a global contender. What was your favorite moment from Bini's Coachella set? Also, I am still learning about the deep history of P-pop. If I missed any facts or got something wrong, please educate me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join me on this journey of exploring Philippine culture. Mahal ko kayo!